Jimbo's Garage.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Jimbo's Garage. Well, I got a random video for the week for you here. A good friend of mine was cleaning out his dad's garage this past weekend and came across this item right here. Brought it over to me and said he had no idea what it is or what it possibly could be used for. I've taken a look at it, and I gotta say, I've never seen anything like it. And this is what I'm relying on you guys out there. I'm sure that somebody out there will know what this thing is and what its use might be. So let's take a closer look at it and see if we can figure it out. All right, so here it is. It comes in a really nice leather case, and it looks like it's got some sort of a handle here on the top for carrying it around. Got a little lid to it. It's kind of old and beat up, so the leather's deteriorating a little bit, but as you take it out of the package right here, this is what it looks like. Now, it's got some sort of looks like it would be a slide hammer to it type of effect. I'm not really certain. At first look, it looked to be stainless steel, and it's pretty well made. The fit and finish is really precise on this. But I gotta say, I put a magnet to it and it is not stainless steel, so it must be plated, chrome plated or zinc or nickel. I'm not sure what it might be, but anyways, it's really clean and it's an odd shape, but it definitely looks like it's designed for some sort of slide hammer effect. One thing I also noticed is it's got this pin here, and it's activated by a spring of some sort on the inside. So when you push this pin and you let go, you know, it retracts, and it actually comes through both directions here. Don't know what's going on there. It's got some sort of nylon washer right here, and I would imagine that is to protect the hammer when it pounds down on, I don't know if this would be the head or what. And then the back has got, like, again, a hard plastic or nylon backing to it to stop the hammer as it's going back, I would imagine. And you can see when I even hit the hammer here that this pin wants to retract through this way. So don't really know what it possibly could be used for. Also, there seems to be a electrical connection of some sort here, like maybe a coaxial cable would connect to this. Don't know why. And then the end here is plastic with a couple of threaded screws. So I'm hoping that somebody out there will be able to figure it out. I'm willing to do this. The first person that can figure this out and show me proof with video, photos, or an explanation of what this thing might do. And I need to have all of that. I need to have some proof here. I'll be glad to send them out a Jimbo pack, which includes a Jimbo's Garage hat, a shirt, and a handful of stickers, as long as you live here in the United States. You can contact me at the official Jimbo's Garage at gmail.com, Instagram, or Facebook. All right, guys, good luck. See you next week.
See you next time on Jimbo's Garage.